Today we're going to talk about a simple life hack, how to deal with attack of the girl hair. You only need about 3 tools and they're very simple. You need a roll of masking tape, a small tip screwdriver, and one of these great drain snakes that you can get at the dollar store or Home Depot or something like that. What you're going to do is you're going to take your tape and you're going to cover all of the holes on your drain. This is so important. You cannot believe how important this is. You see these little screws right here? Use your screwdriver, pop these out. This screw is so small it would have went right through one of those holes down in your drain and you would have lost it forever. Put this aside so that you don't lose it. Now take the other one out. Just like that, put it aside. Now, how do we get that out? Take your screwdriver, poke it through the tape, and pop the top. Now, your handy snake, and we're gonna get the nasty stuff. Here we go. Put it down in there, kind of wiggle it around, and give it a tug. And we're gonna have some, oh, that's awesome. Yum. Gotta love that. Some gloves might be a nice idea too. This is just gross though. Okay, you do it again. Going down, we're fishing. We're gonna find, oh, it smells atrocious. Oh, we didn't catch anything that time. We might have gotten it all, huh? You just fish and fish. One more time. Get down into that trap. I think we've got it all. All right, so now you take your screen with the holes and you line it back up again. You get your screws, put them back in there, and your other screw, put it in here, pull the tape, and that's it. You got this nasty mess out of there, and now your drain will flow freely.